2024 Toyota Tacoma oil maintenance light reset. This is a TRD edition. Yours might look a little different, but on this one we're going to be using basically this button that can go up and down. It has a OK, it's kind of like an enter button, and then maybe the back button. So it's all done in the instrument cluster. I'm going to go ahead and get a little closer for a better view. Okay, so push the return button just to kind of get back here, and we want to get to the settings gear, so you might have to push like left or right, but get it on the settings and push OK. Then this menu should pop up. Use that same OK button to scroll down to the bottom and go to vehicle settings, push and hold OK. Okay, now we're going to go all the way down, and there's oil maintenance, and push and hold OK, and it'll say reset data. Just scroll up to yes, push OK, reset complete. Now you can also reset your scheduled maintenance. I'll just go and push the back button right here. Same thing, just go to reset data, push OK. And that's it, guys. So then you just push the return button until you get back to your menu, and you're good to go. That's a 2024 Toyota Tacoma.